The first science fiction film ever made is from 1902, and you already know its most famous image, a rocket lodged in the eye of the moon. It is called A Trip to the Moon, made by a French magician turned filmmaker named Georges Melies. Melies discovered the camera could do tricks no stage ever could. He could make things vanish, transform, and explode. In just a few minutes, his astronomers build a giant bullet, fire it from a cannon, and land on a moon with a human face. They meet strange moon creatures, escape, and tumble back to Earth. It was pure imagination, decades before real spaceflight. Melies even produced a hand-colored version, where artists painted every single frame, one at a time, by hand. For a film of thousands of frames, that was staggering, painstaking work. But Melies fell on hard times. His work was copied and pirated, and he was pushed out of the business. Broke and bitter, he reportedly burned many of his own negatives. Others were melted down to reclaim their silver and celluloid. The hand-colored Trip to the Moon was thought lost forever. Then, a single, badly decayed color print surfaced, and restorers spent years rebuilding it frame by frame. In 2011, the restored color version finally premiered, more than a century after it was made. The film that invented science fiction on screen is in the public domain, free for anyone to watch. History gets wild when you actually watch it. Follow The Real Vault for the next one.